Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will be removing acrylic nails with the drill. As you can see here, I'm using my nail clipper to just clip one side of the nail so the nail doesn't go flying somewhere. I did the thumb in real time so you can see how careful I'm being. Always remember to keep your drill moving. Do not stay in one spot, as that will cause a heat spike and can really hurt your client. The best way to practice with the drill is to practice on yourself so you know how much pressure to use. The closer you get to the natural nail, the less pressure you want to apply. I applied a thin layer of clear acrylic before my application, so I will not be filing completely down to my natural nail. I will also have a follow-up video to show how I prep for the application, so stay tuned for that. I did speed up the videos, but the entire process on one hand took about 10 minutes. So with that said, I'll let you watch the rest of the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.